Big YouTubers may be crashing and burning their YouTube channels with YouTube hashtags. You may be doing the same. Stick around to find out why.
Brian G. Johnson!
Hey, it's me, Brian G. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new and you want to grow on YouTube, stake your claim and amplify your message by subscribing. Click on the bell notification and you'll be on your way. Real quick, before we jump in, are you using YouTube hashtags? Let me know, leave a comment below, and let's jump in. Here's what's up. I've been watching big and small YouTubers use YouTube hashtags, and I've been studying, I've been thinking, I've been really identifying, is this a good thing? Can it help you move forward to get the views, to get the subscribers, or may it actually be harming your channel? Fact, using YouTube hashtags hurts your watch time here on YouTube. YouTube watch time is the single most important factor when growing a channel here on this platform. And we want viewers to find one of our videos and then click on another one of our videos when they're nearing the end of the current video they're watching. And now hashtags are a thing, and it means viewers can find your video through a YouTube hashtag. But that comes at a cost, a catch. A price you gotta pay. You see, YouTube hashtags are highly visible. They're right below the video that viewers are watching. They're right by the video title. And that's the problem. When a viewer clicks on a hashtag, they're taken off your video and they're dropped onto a page that probably doesn't have any other videos listed by your channel. So right there, you just killed your accumulated watch time. And you just hurt your audience retention. The very metrics YouTube uses to determine if your video should be promoted across the platform. Hey, if you're liking this video, hit the like button. This is Sawyer Hartman, and he published a video on the DJI Ronin S. And you can see the 3 hashtags listed right here: photography, review, and filmmaking. Now, if I click on the hashtag photography, what I'll see first is top videos, and notice that the top videos is limited to the top 3 videos unless you click on this icon that most viewers probably aren't even clicking on. In fact, most viewers probably aren't really using hashtags, and that's a problem. I'll talk more about that as we carry on. Now, we also have these latest videos, and thus any new video will always show up under the latest video section when we're looking at these hashtags. However, if you're using a popular hashtag, you'll probably get pushed down pretty quickly, and again, nobody will find your video. In fact, Sawyer published this video 24 hours ago, and when I look under the latest videos now, I really don't see his video until I scroll and scroll. He was around 20th position. And that result will only get pushed down as more YouTubers use that hashtag photography. And what's most important is the question, how many viewers are actually using YouTube hashtags to discover new content? And furthermore, how likely are you able to show up for the hashtag you're going to use in the next video you're going to publish? Now sure, using hashtags may get your video found, but as mentioned, it's a doorway off your video. And for me, that's the difference. Adding a hashtag also adds a link off of your video, one that's highly visible and ultimately hurts your watch time metrics. Now, a common strategy is to use a hashtag that's unique to your channel. For example, I could use amplify your message, and I've done that. And the only videos that are showing up are mine, but the problem still remains is I just ended a viewing session. I just hurt my audience retention, and that's not a good thing. So what's the bottom line? What's the best way to move forward? For me personally, I'm gonna stop using hashtags. And I gotta be honest, you know, me sharing this information may actually result in fewer views. I've got a lot of people in the Tube Ritual community that are using the Tube Ritual hashtag, and that's good for me because one of my videos is in the top 3 videos for that particular hashtag. But what's more important for me is that you do well, that you don't help build my channel, you build your channel. And the thing that can really help you grow is to implement a content strategy that'll blow up your channel. Check out the video on a content strategy that can help you do just that.